for NRP, when you are called for the delivery, what is the first thing you should do?
Initial step.
History taking. Initial steps बहुत बाद में आता है. History taking. So you have to ask proper history from either the obstetrician or you ask from the patient directly or look into the records. Okay. So what are the three important questions?
Gestational age, weight,
Color of the amniotic fluid, and any other risk factors. Whether the baby is term, preterm, what is the color of the amniotic fluid, whether clear or meconium stain, and any other risk factor. So after taking history, then what will you do? All this comes under preparation of birth. ठीक है? So you will prepare the room. ठीक है? So अगर AC का टेम्परेचर ज्यादा 18 पे रखा है तो उसको बढ़ाओ. ठीक है? appropriate टेम्परेचर पे रखना. What is the appropriate temperature for 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. Switch on the radiant warmer to manual mode with 100% heater output. Then shift to servo control mode once the baby is delivered. ठीक है? Then you go for hand washing. Wash your hands with proper 7 steps of hand washing. Wear sterile gloves. Then you do the instrument check. So what all things you need? You need 2 cotton linen sheets which needs to be pre-warmed, kept under the warmer so that the sheets get warm. You need the suction catheter. You need the cord clamp. You need ambu and mask. Appropriate size. अगर term है तो 1, preterm है तो 0. So this is your 0 number. ठीक है? Then sterile gauze, cotton, blade or scissors, vitamin K injection, syringe to give vitamin K, and stethoscope. So ambu you need to check before you use it. So what are the 3 things you need to check? You need to check for the top of wall should be open. Move करेगा. Self-inflating bag and the hissing sound. So your ambu is functional. What is the full form of ambu?
Artificial.
Ambulatory manual breathing unit. Ambulatory because इसको तुम कहीं पे भी लेके जा सकते हो. ठीक है? Now so you are now ready to receive the baby. So the baby is delivered. दे इसको. You need to handle the baby. इधर से कर. You need to handle the baby properly as if you are handling the original baby. So baby is delivered at 12 p.m. I have delivered the baby on mother's abdomen with head turns towards one side, and I am assessing the baby's breathing. So baby is breathing, so I will wipe the baby from head to toe, cover the baby with warm linen, and as the baby is breathing, so I will delay the cord clamping by 1 to 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I have cut the cord and I have moved the baby in between mother's breast. We'll start the breastfeeding, continue skin to skin contact, and monitor the vitals. So this baby will be receiving your routine care. So suppose the baby was delivered on mother's abdomen. So now I've seen the baby is not breathing. Immediately cut the cord, bring the baby under the radiant warmer, and so first we'll do suction of the mouth, then nasal. Mouth में 4 to 5 centimeter, nasal में 2 to 3 centimeter. The length of the catheter to be inserted. The pressure of the suction machine should not be beyond 100 mm of mercury or centimeter of water. It should be between the 80 to 100 range. ठीक है? Suction करने के बाद अगर बच्चा रो पड़ा, then shift the baby to the mother. The baby will be receiving your observational care. Suppose suction के बाद भी नहीं रोया, then we'll go for the physical stimulus. Just move the baby laterally, head to toe, give 3 strokes. So the baby has not cried. If you have not changed the linen before, you can change now. Take the baby under the dry linen. So if the baby has not cried still, you will reposition. Shoulder roll can be placed if not placed initially. So all these steps के बाद जब बच्चा रोता है, shift the baby in between mother's breast with head turned towards one side. Continue the breastfeeding, skin to skin contact. Monitor the vitals every 15 minutes for first 1 hour and every 30 minutes for the next 1 hour. ठीक है, this is your observational care. Suppose the baby did not cry after these initial steps. Now you will start bag and mask ventilation. So baby is turn. So I will be using the 1 size M mask, and I will be doing it in room air. So forming the C and the E. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. So first 5 breaths I will assess whether there is chest rise or not. If chest rise is there, I will continue this for 30 seconds. If chest rise was not there, then you will take the corrective steps, that is MR SOCA. So breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. After 30 seconds, I will assess whether the baby is breathing or not. So after 30 seconds, your baby is breathing. So now what will you do? Breathe 2, 3, 4. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you will taper this. And you will shift the baby between mother's breast. And again, the baby will be receiving your observational care. Suppose the baby did not cry after this initial 30 seconds of ventilation. So you have to now prolong your ventilation. Now you will need the helper. Helper will connect the oxygen source so you will need a helper who will connect. यहाँ पे I am not taking a help, I am doing it myself, पर ये wrong है. So you will need a helper to connect the oxygen source and to check the heart rate. So heart rate is 100, the baby is not breathing. I will continue this bag and mask ventilation for 30 seconds. Breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3. Now after 30 seconds, again the helper will auscultate the heart rate and check for breathing. The baby is not breathing. And what is the heart rate? How will you calculate the heart rate? How will you check for the heart rate? 6 seconds auscultation. Auscultate for 6 seconds, multiply into 10. सब अलग अलग बोल रहे थे, कोई 15 सेकेंड, कोई 30 सेकेंड. It is 6 seconds and then into 10. Now heart rate is 80 and baby is not breathing. So what to do?
Continue.
You will continue this and make arrangements to shift the baby to NICU or tertiary care center. Suppose after 30 seconds, instead of heart rate 80, heart rate is 110 and baby is now breathing. So now you will again breathe 2, 3, breathe 2, 3, 4, breathe 2, 3, 4, 5. You will taper this and now the baby will go to post resuscitation care. ठीक है? अगर एम्बू करके तुम्हारा नहीं आ रहा है चेस्ट राइज, यू गो फॉर द करेक्टिव स्टेप्स, दैट इज MR SOCA. सब स्टेप्स एक साथ नहीं किए जाते. M and R is done together. M is mask readjustment, repositioning. Then you again check. अगर नहीं आ रहा, then move to the next step, that is suctioning and opening the airway. आ गया तो continue doing that. No need for the further steps. नहीं आया, then you go for P. P is pressure increase. And A is your alternative airway, which is the last step. ठीक है? What is the contraindication of doing ambu? Diaphragmatic hernia. ठीक है? How will you suspect a baby that the baby is having diaphragmatic hernia? तुम्हारे पास तो कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं होगी ना? So how will you suspect this thing in a baby who is delivered? Scaphoid abdomen, respiratory distress. ठीक है? Gurgling sounds over the chest. All these are indicative of diaphragmatic hernia. ठीक है?
तो हम डायरेक्ट इंट्यूबेशन.
डायरेक्ट इंट्यूबेशन. ठीक है? कोई डाउट?